Today, we'll be traveling in time. How cool is that? You heard me. I'll show you how to get back to the past on the internet. This can be useful in two cases. Number one, you want to check some website you visited in the past, seeking some information. Suddenly, you realize it has changed, got updated, or completely redesigned. Number two, you just want to check how a particular website or domain looked like in the past and changed over time. You can do that by using a web archive called Wayback Machine. All you have to do is visit web.archive.org, type in the URL of the website or domain you would like to check on, and simply submit it. Now you can see a yearly timeline of the website snapshots you've been checking, plus a calendar so you can pick a specific date. Once you choose, you can see how a website looked like in the past on this particular day. Of course, if the snapshot was made. Sometimes the styles or the images don't load properly, but there is nothing you can do about it. So go ahead, check your websites, check your domains, maybe you'll find something interesting. If so, be sure to let me know in the comments below, maybe type what kind of URLs or what kind of domains you've been checking on. I'm super excited to see some neat landing pages or websites, so yeah, go ahead, I'm curious what you find. Did you enjoy the ride? Yes? I'm super happy. If you also feel good, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. No? Tell me why in the comments below. I'd love to get feedback from you guys. Happy time traveling!